Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart discount card online. To start, you must first activate your associate discount for digital purchases. This initial setup connects your physical card to your online shopping profile, ensuring all eligible items receive the proper markdown. It's a straightforward, secure process designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing Walmart account for future convenience and savings. Once you are ready, access the secure associate portal using your usual login information. Look for a section clearly labeled My Discount or Associate Benefits. Here, you will input the unique number from your physical discount card, along with any other requested details, to permanently link it to your online profile. Double-check all numbers for accuracy before saving your changes to ensure proper setup. After linking your card, the associate discount will automatically apply to eligible items in your cart as you shop. When you proceed to checkout, carefully review your order summary page. You will see a line item specifically showing your associate discount applied, reducing the total amount due. Always confirm this before finalizing your purchase, ensuring you receive your deserved savings. Should your discount not appear, first verify that your discount card is fully linked to your account and remains active. Also, confirm you are logged into the exact Walmart.com profile tied to your associate number, as this is a common oversight. For any ongoing issues or unique situations, please reach out to the dedicated Associate Benefits support team. They are there to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.